Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors, and our clients to make their own investment decisions through our comprehensive training programs, innovative investment strategies. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen, which is why we request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. So our educational videos we have put in English and Tamil in our company Fibocan's YouTube channel. I would request and encourage people in the age group of 18 to 22, 25 to watch at least up to module 4 and 5 and module up to 8. Everyone in the degree holders should see, and MBA and others who are interested in stock market should see module up to module 15, and module 16 is ideally suited for traders who are doing derivative trading. So let's go into today's video. Today is July 11, 2023, Tuesday, option expiry for FinNifty. First we will see the levels, then we will discuss about what happened. FinNifty closed 0.44% down at 19,969.35, while BankNifty closed at 44,745, 0.26% down, while Nifty closed at 19,439.40, 0.43% up. So you can see the dichotomy between FinNifty and BankNifty on one side, while Nifty on the other side. The reason, as you see the various sectors, you will understand. But at the top of it, I can say that Reliance, Bharati, IT stocks and consumer goods performed, which is why Nifty outperformed, while BankNifty components and FinNifty components did not perform. In fact, they underperformed, severely underperformed. That's why we had such a downfall. In fact, if it had not been Reliance for the last 2 days, Nifty also would have been pathetically down. So that is the background. So yesterday, if you recollect, we said that the FinNifty and BankNifty are near the 9 exponential moving average, and the Bollinger middle band is something which is good, and the exponential moving average that will act as a support, because that is a very strong support, and Nifty in a downward bias with a sideways. That is what we have been telling, Nifty, BankNifty and everything. Nifty is the sole exemption. However, don't expect a runaway, because after all, Nifty components are components of BankNifty and FinNifty. Hence, they will pull down Nifty. And Nifty, what happens? It is above the Bollinger upper band in the monthly, but below the Bollinger upper band in the weekly and daily. Hence, as long as it stays above the Bollinger upper band and above the exponential moving average, we will have Nifty hovering at this level, and FinNifty and BankNifty going sideways with a down, and 1 or 2 days short covering, it is going up. All these things will happen at least till the end of July. That's the background of it. Once again, the power of technical analysis before we go into the other details. Yesterday, what did we say? We said that the support for FinNifty, of course, for BankNifty also we said the same thing, is going to be daily middle band, and the resistance is going to be the daily upper band. So precisely it closed between that levels. FinNifty has closed below the exponential moving average, but still above the middle band. So it is well below the Bollinger upper band. So it is just as exactly at the levels that we stated, right? So let's go into the analysis. Finally, we will see what is the support and resistance for BankNifty and Nifty for the next 2 days. Banks, Axis Bank and SBI fell 1%, while Federal, IndusInd and Yes Bank up by 1%. On the financials, Bajaj Finance, Chola, HDFC, M&M Finance down 1%, LIC, Muthoot up 1%, Shriram up 2%, IDFC up by 4%, IDFC Bank also on the banking side up by 4%. So overall, banking and financials, as you can see, most of the components either remain sideways or underperformed, which is why we had such a fall in FinNifty and BankNifty. Insurance and cards, LIC and HDFC Life 1% up, others remain flat. Oil and telecom, Bharati 1% up along with Reliance. Of course, Reliance has formed a hanging man type candle at the top, hence one has to be cautious at this level. Anybody who wants to enter Reliance at this stage, wait for some pullback. please wait for some pullback. This is not, tomorrow is not the time to enter, or the next few days. Wait, there will be a pullback that will coming in. At that time, one can enter. Think of entering. On the IT stocks, LTIM, LTTS, SCL Tech 1% down. Infi, Intellect, Emphasis, Wipro, Techem 1% up. Birlasoft and Cofor 2% up. If you recollect, I had highlighted about Emphasis. Technically, it is looking good. That is what we said. That is what is happening. On the consumer goods, ABFR, everything went up excepting PVR and Page, which remained sideways. Otherwise, ABFRL, Asian Paints, Bata, Berger, Britannia, HUL, ITC, Nestle, Pidilite, Titan, Trent, everything up by 1%. Yesterday, Titan had a big fall. Today, there was some short covering rally. On the automobiles, Hero Motors fell 1%. Hero is something looking, there is a trend reversal that's happening in Hero Motors. Hence, one has to be cautious. Fresh people with fresh buying should wait for some time. And people who are entered some time back probably can think of booking some profits. On the upside, M&M, Tata Motors 1% up, Ashok Leyland, Eicher Motors, Maruti, Motherson and TVS 2% up. In the metal, JSW, Vedanta 1%, 2% down, and Hindalco fell 1%. Nothing moved up. So all metals was either side or down. On the health and pharma, Cipla 1% up, Apollo, Lalpa, Sun Pharma 2% up. On the others category, UPL down 2%, 1% up in L&T, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, APL, Apollo, Havells, Indigo, Delta Corp and Zomato up by 2%, India Mart up by 4%, Nykaa 5% up, and Polycab had a big up move of 6%. In fact, if one can see, recollect, right from beginning of 2023, we have been telling that Polycab is technically looking good. That's a great stock, but a new entrance has to be cautious. That's all we say. And with that, FinNifty, it closed exactly within the level that we said. What is the expiry for BankNifty and Nifty? BankNifty, we feel that the 50-day moving average will act as a very strong support. That's now currently at somewhere around 44,003. And on the daily upper band will act as a resistance, which is somewhere around 45,570. For Nifty, it is again 20-day exponential moving average that will act as a very strong support, and the weekly upper band will act as a strong resistance. Thank you very much.